Very much, Jan. Hindi ka ba nalilito doon sa sinabi ni Mr. C? Mr. C, you said lacking in energy si Jan. Love song eh. Baka pag in-energy niya, baka hindi love song.
No. Any song, kailangan mo ng energy. Kasi kahit na soft yan, the energy comes from within. And it comes out, and you will feel the electricity. Kahit na mahinang kanta yan, mararamdaman mo yun. Yun, wala eh. Hindi ko naramdaman.
Okay. Sabi ni Mr. C.
naramdaman ko.
Ayun, no? Baka kasi sa
Naloloko
babae,
lang ako.
Jan, ano masasabi mo doon sa comment yun? Again, when they praise you, they really praise you. But when they make puna yung kaisa-isang kulang, lagi balik tayo ng balik doon sa connection. Ano sa tingin mo nagiging problema doon, Jan?
Well, katulad nung sabi ni Mamita, no? I respect Mr. C's comment, syempre. But hopefully, doon sa mga girls, nakakonect din ako kahit paano, no?
Hindi ikaw ang target audience, Mr. C. Good job, Jan. Thank you very much. If you want to vote for Jan, just text Jan, that's Jan to 2339 using Smart and other networks. At kung PLDT landline ang inyong gagamitin, i-dial nilang 1908-5-IDOL-05. That's 1908-5-IDOL-05 for Jan. Pero wag nyo munang iboboto si Jan ngayon. Wait for my go signal at the end of the show to make your votes official. And also, meron po tayong announcement tungkol sa mga bagong rules sa pagboboto. So stick around for that. And you guys here, listen to the rules also, bago nating text voting rules. Thank you very much, Jan.
Thank you, Ryan.
And also, we'd like to acknowledge Jeremy Dadap from the San Miguel Philharmonic Orchestra who did the violin solo for Jan's performance. Let's give him a big hand. Sa ating pagbabalik, magbabalik tanaw naman tayo with Mau. Huwag kayong bibitaw dito sa Philippine Idol.
Wannabe rapper. Pwede ding dancer. O translator. At birit, birit, birit. Pwedeng pang Philippine Idol. You can be the star that you are. Cause with Wow Magic Sing, idol ka sa galing.
Iba tayo sa ABC5 dahil dito na lang makikita ang Philippine Idol. And who loves Philippine Idol? Yeah, you guys do. We love it too. Thank you very much. Ang susunod nating finalist, ang mentor niya sa pagkanta ay ang kanyang mama. Sa dinabi-dabi ng kantang ipinaaral sa kanya ng kanyang nanay, itong awiting ito ang isa sa pinaka-memorable. Ito ang kwento ni Mau Marcelo.
Ang kakantahin ko is I Will Always Love You by Whitney Houston. Naging team song siya ng buhay ko kasi tinuro siya sa akin ng mami ko before siya namatay. Naalala ko sa song na to kapag kinakanta ko, yung mga technique na tinuro niya sa akin, yung mga styles. Kasi sabi niya, bagay daw sa akin yung song and sure daw talagang magiging panalo daw talaga ako. Yung sinabi niya sa akin gano'n, yun yung nagpalakas ng loob ko na kantahin itong song ngayon. Even wala na siya, na-adapt ko yung mga ganong klase ng style para ako naman yung magpatuloy.
I would understand your way. So I go, but I know I'll think of you in every step of the way. Will always love you.
what say you? Look, naiyak ka, no, sa performance.
Sobra, ano eh. grabe, kilabot ko. Grabe, ano eh, wala ko masabi. Nasyak ka.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Mau, sana sa next album ko mag-guest ka.
Mamita.
Parang sometimes I don't have to say anything. Everybody is saying it, you know? Everybody feels it. Everybody... The only thing is that I think Mao knows exactly how good she is. The only thing is I expected na, you know, she came with that big overcoat. I expected that when she opened it, she would be in a bikini or something. Very good, Pa. Very good, Ma. Very good.
Lagi ka namang magaling eh. Imagine, you have the audience at the palm of your hands. But, okay, I'll tell you something. Your choice of song. Okay, so syempre right away, no, naisip mo Whitney Houston. Right away, ganyan yung ginawa niya. So, sana nagkontrapelo ka. You went against, sana iniba mo yung, siguro yung look mo. Actually, yung pagpasok mo, tumawa yung tao kasi kala Halloween talaga. Parang witch ang dating, ano? Pero Mau, sa sobrang galing mo, hindi bali na. Kahit nakakatawa, magaling.
Mr. C, thank you very much. Judges, thank you very much. Okay, Mau, it's your chance to talk back kay Mr. C. Niyari ka to sa suot mo. Okay yung performance, perfecto na. Hindi nakapagsalita si Luke eh, pero yung outfit, kaninong idea yan?
Sabihin ko ba? Mukha, wala lang.
Pero komportable ka?
I'm comfortable.
Okay.
Siyempre.
And of course, magandang-maganda ka naman ngayong gabi.
Of course.
Okay,
Maganda.
kung gusto nyo ang pagkanta ni Mau at ang kanyang outfit na rin, text nyo lang si Mau, that's M-A-U, to 2339 using Smart and other networks. At kung PLDT landline lang inyong gagamitin, i-dial nyo lang 19085-IDOL06. That's 19085-IDOL06 for Mau. Pero wag muna kayong boboto. Wait for me to give you the go signal at the end of the show. That's the only time you can vote. Mau, maraming salamat.
Thank you.
After the break, si Miguel at Jelly naman ang magkikwento sa atin dito sa Philippine Idol.
Wannabe rapper. Pwede ding dancer.